Good morning one and all. Myself Nasreen Khatib, lecturer in chemistry from Government First Grade College, Halyan. Today we are going to see the preparation of bis dimethyl glyoxymato nickel 2, or simply we can call it as nickel DMG2 complex. When nickel sulfate is treated with dimethyl glyoxide or DMG in presence of ammonium hydroxide or dilute ammonia solution, it forms the complex of nickel DMG2. This complex is square planar and diamagnetic. The apparatus used are beaker, watch glass, glass rod, measuring cylinder and sintered glass crucible, or it is also called as Gooch crucible. The required chemicals are nickel sulfate. It is commercially available as nickel sulfate hexahydrate. Then alcoholic solution of DMG, which will act as ligand, and concentrated hydrochloric acid and 1:1 ammonia solution or ammonium hydroxide solution. 2 gram of nickel sulfate is accurately weighed and it is transferred carefully . Care should be taken so as to avoid any loss. After complete transferring, it is dissolved in around 250 ml of distilled water and it is dissolved completely. After complete dissolution, 2 to 3 ml of concentrated hydrochloric acid is added into the nickel sulfate slowly. So here 2 to 3 ml of concentrated HCl is added slowly with constant stirring. After dissolving the nickel sulfate, it is heated to gentle boiling. Now, after gentle boiling, we have to add 30 ml of 1% DMG solution slowly with constant stirring. After adding DMG, we have to add the ammonia solution till we get the scarlet red precipitate. So, as we can see, this precipitate is just forming. So, we have to add till the complete precipitation. So I am adding little more just to check the completion of precipitation. Now this precipitate we should digest it for 30 minutes on a water bath. After digestion, we have to filter this precipitate using a Gooch crucible. Like this, carefully we have to filter all the precipitate. Like this, we have to completely transfer this precipitate into the Gooch crucible. After filtration, we have to dry the precipitate in a hot air oven for about 40 to 45 minutes. After drying for 45 minutes, we should place the Gooch crucible in a desiccator so as to remove any moisture if it is present. After that, we should weigh the crucible again, which will give the value of weight of crucible plus complex. Now coming to the observations part, here W1 is the weight of empty Gooch crucible. So this weight we have to take in the beginning only. Then W2 is the weight of crucible plus complex. So this weight we will take after drying. So next one will be W3, that is weight of the complex. So this can be calculated by W2 minus W1. That is nothing but by subtracting weight of crucible plus complex and the weight of empty crucible. At the last, we can write the obtained yield. So this obtained yield is nothing but weight of the complex. So it is written in terms of grams. Now coming to the structure and bonding of the complex. In the nickel DMG2 complex, nickel plus 2 is the central metal atom and DMG, that is dimethyl glyoxime, is the ligand. Here the DMG is a bidentate ligand because in the structure, as we can see, that the DMG has a 2 donor atoms. Therefore, it can donate 2 pairs of electrons to the central atom. Therefore, it acts as a bidentate ligand. Here the central metal atom, that is Ni plus 2, is surrounded by 2 equivalents of DMG. The 2 DMG ligands are joined together through hydrogen bond. Now coming to the geometry, the outer electronic configuration of nickel is 3d8 4s2 and that of Ni plus 2 is 3d8 4s0. Since DMG is a strong field ligand, therefore it causes the pairing up of 3d unpaired electrons and thus Ni plus 2 undergoes dsp2 hybridization and the 4 pair of electrons donated by 2 DMG ligands occupy the dsp2 hybrid orbitals. Therefore, the complex has square planar geometry. Moreover, this complex do not contain any unpaired electrons. Therefore, it is diamagnetic. At the last, we can write the result as obtained yield of the complex in terms of grams, then color of the complex, which was scarlet red, and structure as shown. Thank you for watching.